For our problem number 2, the sum of two angles is 1,600 mils and their difference is 400 radians. Find the value of the bigger angle in degrees. Ito ay gumamit ng tatlong system. So, the end naman na tinatanong ay in terms of degrees. So, para hindi tayo mahirapan later on, ang gawin muna natin, so gawin nating iisang system lang yung ginamit. Since degrees ang kailangan natin at the end, so i-convert na lang muna natin si 1,600 mils at si 400 radians in terms of degrees. So, convert muna natin si 1,600 mils. So, ginagawa natin kay conversion, di ba? So, ito mo multiply mo nung equivalent niya sa ating conversion. Gusto mo i-cancel si mils, so siya yung lalagay mo sa ilalim. So, 6,400 mils, equivalent lang siya kay 360 degrees. Cancel si mils, ang matitirang unit ay degrees. So, simplify lang natin what is 1,6 times 360 divided by 64. This is 78.75 degrees. Similarly, for gradients, so 40 gradients, convert it to degrees. So, ang conversion natin, sa 360 degrees, merong 400 gradients. So, cancel si gradients, matitirang unit ay degrees. Ito naman ay 40 times 360 divided by 400. If we simplify this is equal to 36 degrees. So, yan yung dalawa. So, sabi dito, yung sum daw ng dalawang angles. Hindi naman natin alam ano yung angle na yun, no? So, pangalanan na lang muna natin siya as theta and beta. Sabi sa problem, yung sum daw ng dalawang angle, so theta plus beta, this is equal to 78.75 degrees. So, kinonvert na kasi natin yung 1/6 and then yung 4 gradients. So, yung difference naman nila, ibig sabihin, so yung difference ng theta and beta, this is equal to 36 degrees. So, kung ano daw yung mas malaki sa theta and beta, yun yung hinahanap. Now, eto, meron tayong dalawang equation, dalawang unknown. So, pag-solve natin dito actually is more on the algebra. So, imagine nyo na lang, itong si theta and beta ay x and y. So, parang ganun siya kay algebra. So, this is a system of equation. So, two equations, two unknown. So, you can use any method you want. If you want to graph it, if you want to use elimination, substitution, or even see calculator technique. Kung alam nyo siya, si mode 5, 1, mode equation, two equations, two unknown. So, you can use that if you want. Pero dito, since madali lang naman yung equation natin, no? Pwede namang simpleng elimination method lang. So, if we add these two equation, so we get that theta plus theta is 2 theta. Beta minus beta plus negative beta is equals to 0 na lang. So, 2 theta na lang matitira dito sa left side. And then, add na lang natin what is 78.75 plus 36. So, that is 114.75. And we divide it by 2. So, we get the value of theta. So, theta is equal to 57.375 degrees. And then, substitute it either on this equation or the second equation. Kahit ano naman, pwede siya. Let's say, ito yung ating first equation. Diyan na lang natin siya isa-substitute. So, in equation 1, so theta plus beta is equal to 78.75. So, we know that the theta is equal to 57.375 plus beta, this is equal to 78.75. 0.75. So we can solve for the value of beta. That is the difference ng 78.75 minus 57.375. So this is 21.375 degrees. So tinatanong sa problem, ano daw yung mas malaking angle? So ang isasagot natin ay itong si theta. That's our problem number